with Carson. Yay! I hope everyone out there is staying safe and staying home. Let's talk about cleaning out our makeup. Let's talk about my personal makeup collection, which I'm going to be showing you today. It's not everything, but it's basically my main personal makeup drawer that I'm gonna be cleaning out in this video. So I'm excited to show you how I organize it. If you're curious about some of my favorite products, please check the description. Any support really helps because being a makeup artist in these times is really tough, and my heart goes out to everyone that's been affected by this pandemic. I'm sending you love, I'm sending you hugs, I'm sending you all kinds of things, and please let me know what kind of content I can create for you that you'll really enjoy. I did film a part 2, which is all of my eyeshadow palettes, so if you're curious to see what's in my eyeshadow palette collection, stay tuned for that video. That's gonna be coming up next week, so subscribe so you know when that happens, and please like this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's check it out.